We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. It is the set of the sails, not the direction of the wind, that determines which way we will go. Maturity is the ability to reap without apology and not complain when things don't go well. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. Asking is the beginning of receiving. Make sure you don't go to the ocean with a teaspoon. At least take a bucket so the kids won't laugh at you. Character isn't something you were born with and can't change, like your fingerprints. It's something you weren't born with and must take responsibility for forming. Give whatever you are doing and whoever you are with the gift of your attention. Whoever renders service to many puts himself in line for greatness, great wealth, great return, great satisfaction, great reputation, and great joy. If someone is going down the wrong road, he doesn't need motivation to speed him up. What he needs is education to turn him around. Failure is not a single, cataclysmic event. You don't fail overnight. Instead, failure is a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. The difficulties you meet will resolve themselves as you advance. Proceed, and light will dawn, and shine with increasing clearness on your path. Ideas can be life-changing. Sometimes all you need to open the door is just one more good idea. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. Words do two major things. They provide food for the mind and create light for understanding and awareness. Your philosophy determines whether you will go for the disciplines or continue the errors.